Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to talk about the hairstyle that I'm going to try. So I am doing the soft locks. I've never done soft locks on my head before, and so I was like, you know what, I'm not about to pay over $300 when I can get the equipment and just sit myself down and be patient. So I went to go buy stuff. Everything that I ordered or everything that I used will be in the description down below. So I just wanted to show you my parting. It didn't take that long, but the back is what took quite a bit because I had to figure out how to set up my mirror. And once I get like a perfect way to explain that, I will, but it was a struggle. But yeah, so I only have this quadrant of my hair left. This is what it's looking like in the back. This is what it's looking like now. I mean, it don't look bad for the parts, and I want this to be slightly full, but I just wanted to show you guys, and I just wanted to do a montage of me basically finishing on this side of my head. So I just want to say that your parts really don't have to be perfect. Try to make it as perfect as possible, but I'm not too strict on myself on making it perfect, and I'm going to show you guys how I parted the back of my hair later on in this video, so stay tuned. So the product that I use on my hair is this. It's the only thing that I use. And I want my lines to be straight, I just go in this way. I'm just trying to get a straight line.
Told me about all your insecurities, what dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what searching me sometime, but I should stick around for what always felt like sticking around the same as being stuck. You're like guns with the ink in it, getting under my skin.
For me personally, I braided only a certain part of my hair, and for the rest of my hair I twisted it because I wanted to make it easier for me when I take down my hair. I don't want my hair all braided down and have difficulties when it's time for me to take this hair out.
I know, but I gotta get up out of here, you know? I gotta go pay these bills. I got a show to do, you know? One time for your mom. Let's go to sleep in Paris and wake up in Tokyo. Have a dream in New Orleans, fall in love in Chicago. Man, I love her. And I hate to leave her lonely. Ring, ring with the iPhone. It wasn't on me. He said, let's hit Japan. If we can make a plan, we can make a.
I just want to show you guys my filming setup real quick. So this is what my setup looks like. I'm doing my back right now, so my front mirror, my bathroom mirror, it doesn't really matter, but I'm using this mirror right here to show see the back of my head, and then I don't have a small mirror, so I'm using this big mirror that I have front in my room. So this is my setup if you were wondering like what kind of setup I have, and I have my iPad because I gotta watch something. So this is the hair that I use to wrap around my soft lock. I would definitely say that for each part, depending on the size of your part, don't use too much because that's what makes it bulky and it wouldn't match the size of the soft lock. So I just wanted to give you an example of me actually working on the back of my head. I know for most hair videos, they don't show them doing the back of my head, but I would definitely say a tip is that when you're parting your hair, part your hair into 4 quadrants if you can. It makes life much easier to work with the back. But I would definitely explain in detail the technique that I used to do the back of my head. So this is how far I have gotten. I was trying to do the no knot method, but for some reason the kind of hair that I bought doesn't really help with it because let me just show you an example. So I did one right here, right? And I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's like a knot because when I crochet my hair into it, it doesn't lay flat. So I'm still trying to do it because it's still possible, but yeah, this is how far I've gotten. I'm almost done. I only have this much left on my head, which isn't much at all. So yeah, I'm just chilling. I should be done. It's 16. I should be done by 12 o'clock. It really shouldn't take me that long, but I took it yesterday to prep and I have been going for about 5 hours. But then again, my parts are really small, so yeah, I like it. I think it's looking good. Sorry if I changed the light. I'm still trying to figure out which light that I like, but we are going to get back to me doing my hair. Okay, so this is the first method that I learned. And the first method is basically you put the hair that you're going to use to wrap in the soft lock, and then you crochet it all together into the root of your head. It makes it easier when wrapping the hair. There's also another method that I am going to show, but you basically pull the hair you're going to use to wrap around your soft lock all the way through, and then you match up the soft lock where it begins to the root of your head, and then you just start wrapping.
It's different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I'm making my beat with somebody. Is that you? It's different. It's different. It's different. It's different. It's different. It's different. This shit. Yeah. It's different. It's different.
Y'all, my freaking hand is crank. I just got a Charlie horse on my hand. Oh, Lord Jesus. This shit hurts. Yo, I can't move my... I know you lying. Excuse the brightness. Yeah, my hand just reminded me it's time to... Yo, I have never had a Charlie horse on my hand. So this is the second method that I originally wanted to do all over my head, but I realized that the kind of soft locks that I got, it was just too big to kind of work with this method. But this method, instead of crocheting at the root of your head, you crochet the soft lock into a middle port, like about 1/2 inch from your root, and then you grab the hair that you're going to use to wrap. You grab one end with the soft lock and your own hair, and then you just start wrapping from the root, as you guys will see in this video. And then you just wrap down. The only reason why I kind of was switching between the first method and this method is because, as I said, when I would tie the soft lock to my hair, it would leave a bump, which I didn't really like, but in some parts of my head it definitely worked. So right here you can see that I grab, one end with the soft lock in my own hair, and then the second part of the hair that I'm using to wrap, I start at the root and I just wrap down. And you don't want to wrap too tight because then that's going to make the hair stiff. So use your thumb. Your thumb is really helpful in making sure that the hair goes around, and it makes life easier, I promise. Okay, so I am done. I'm gonna show you guys like the end result of everything probably tomorrow when I have makeup on. I'm so tired, but this was definitely worth it. It's about to be my hair for a minute though, because I'm not taking this hair out anytime soon. Did what I needed to do, okay? This is long. This is so long. But I would definitely say for the Outre spring twist hair, you just need 1 pack. Then I got the actual soft lock from Amazon. I will put the link in my description down below. I only used, I think, 3 or 4. I'll put the number on the screen how many packs I used. I bought 6. I thought I would need more, but about 21 locks in a thing that it comes in. So I could have just bought the 4-pack, but it was very cheap too. It was like, I think $49 for 6. And these are, I believe, 36 inches, so these are really long. But yeah, I'm about to clean up, get something to eat, and then I will talk to you guys when I'm fully done. So this is the outcome. Excuse my pajama pants, but this is the outcome of the hair. I definitely loved it. Everything that I used to do my hair will be listed in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to teach you guys, and let me know if you guys truly do this hairstyle in the comments. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. If you try this hair out, let me know in the comments down below.